guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter. Please enjoy this process video. I welcome you to my channel and hope that you do subscribe. Here you'll see the process in which I make some fall embellishments. And at the end of this video, you'll see all of the products that I used. This will be for an upcoming swap. As you can see, what I did, of course, was to ink the edges of the papers. I then applied the sentiments, which will say autumn. I completed the little rosettes by adhering them at the center, and I did cut coordinating circles for the front and back so that they would have a clean finish both on the front and the back of those little rosettes. I doubled up the little banners so that I could have a placement for the paws of that adorable little raccoon that you see there. So what I did was that I tried to give myself enough room so that it would not cover the sentiment, but that I could still use those little paws so that it would look as if he's holding that little banner. And you can see there that I applied just a small amount of adhesive to that paper. And I then decided that it would look adorable if it were a little girl raccoon, so why not? I added a little flower, and I also love to add texture to my items, so I found some coordinating fibers that also have gold threading, and I added that to the background there. I just applied a small dab of adhesive, and my embellishment was pretty much complete. But I love to add a little sparkle, so I did add that little gem to the center of each one of the flowers. And here you see my finished pieces. Of course, I add highlights and a little shine to everything that I make. It just makes it a little more fun for me. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and here are the items that I've used. The Thinlits die, I only use the banner from this collection. This is the Marianne Designs Eline's Collectible Raccoon. The Sizzix die with the rosette that I used. The little sentiment that says autumn came from CC Designs collection. And the little flower was in my stash. And here's that fiber. And then the little gems came from Hobby Lobby. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and be inspired and be blessed. Thank you for watching.